Carrot soup for weight loss diet. Low-calorie carrot soup is a great way to lose weight instead of maintaining hungry stomach in the name of diet. Soups are low in fat and calories and they are perfect addition to your weight loss diet. Vegetable soups are ideal for weight loss as we get our daily dose of vitamins and minerals with relatively low calories. These are also fiber and water rich, which prevents you from overeating. To prepare this amazing soup, we need 3 large carrots, 2 red bell peppers, olive oil, half teaspoon of curry powder, 2 bay leaves, 1 large onion, 3 to 5 garlic cloves, pinch of salt and lemon juice. Place all the ingredients in the required quantity by cutting them into slices and required pieces. Take a saucepan with required amount of olive oil in medium heat. Add the curry powder along with the bay leaf and stir for 10 seconds. Add the onions, carrots, garlic and salt. Cover it and cook for 10 minutes. Add 3 to 4 cups of water and bring to a boil point. Reduce the heat to medium-low and simmer covered for 150 minutes. Transfer the carrot mixture to a blender, add the bell peppers and blend until smooth. Stir in lemon juice. Garnish the servings with bell pepper slices. Now, your amazing weight loss soup is ready. Carrot soup is full of vitamins and minerals. It's just the perfect recipe to drive away your diet boredom as it is spicy and can invigorate your taste buds in the best way possible. Carrots are also rich in beta-carotene, which is converted into vitamin A in the liver. Vitamin A is great for maintaining your vision. Bell peppers are full of beta-carotene, which lavishes you with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory benefits. Add the soup in your regular diet and start cutting your fat from day 1. For any queries and suggestions, feel free to comment in below comment box. Thanks for watching this video. For more videos, like us and subscribe. To get latest updates and notifications, click on bell button.